Recent event, Honorable Obi Aguocha's address at Federal High Court Abuja. On September 26, 2025, Honorable Obi Aguocha, the Nigerian House of Representatives member, addressed a gathering of Biafrans outside the Federal High Court in Abuja. This appearance aligns with his ongoing advocacy for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, whose trial resumed at the court on the same day. Aguocha highlighted perceived injustices in Nigeria's judicial system, stating, "There are two separate laws in Nigeria, one for the Igbo man and the other for non-Igbos." He argued this disparity fuels marginalization of the Igbo Biafran community, particularly in Kanu's case, where access to legal representation and medical care has been restricted. He reaffirmed his commitment to Kanu's unconditional release, emphasizing diplomatic and political efforts to resolve the matter outside the courtroom. Aguocha described the case as a sensitive and emotionally charged issue affecting the Southeast region. The speech resonated with Biafran activists present, who view Kanu's detention since 2021 as emblematic of systemic oppression. Aguocha urged unity among Biafrans to push for self-determination and equity. The address was captured in videos shared widely on social media, showing Aguocha speaking passionately to a crowd. One clip features him elaborating on the two laws theme amid cheers. Another shorter version circulated with the caption emphasizing the Igbo-specific injustices. Aguocha has been a vocal supporter of Kanu, attending court sessions and meeting him at the Department of State Services, DSS facility in October 2024 to address lawyer access issues. In June 2025, he vowed to intensify efforts for Kanu's release, citing political solutions to de-escalate tensions in the Southeast. This event underscores ongoing tensions around Biafra agitation and calls for judicial reform in Nigeria. Supporters see Aguocha's stance as bold leadership, while critics argue it risks escalating regional divides. For live updates, monitor Emeka Gift official posts or other from Biafra activists. Subscribe and follow Emeka Gift official YouTube channel for more information on Biafra self-determination movement.